Though you'll rarely see them land directly in your yard, you may notice other birds start to chatter.
Cuckoo!
When the striking and dominating red-tailed hawk is soaring above,
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
with a shrill and menacing cry,
Cuckoo!
these hawks will swoop down
Cuckoo!
to capture prey with their muscular legs before reclaiming their throne in the skies above. Though most creatures would prefer to avoid their clutches,
Cuckoo!
I must admit that I often fantasize about being snatched away by these mesmeric. Is that a word? Mesmeric?
Yeah, mesmeric.
Mesmeric?
Yeah,
Mesmeric and domineering hawk.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
Even if just to get a closer look at its Herculean anatomy, which often escapes me from my earthly trappings below.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
Take me away, you handsome devil.
Cuckoo!